at home, we are going to start number corner, and I want you to take a look at our calendar. What is underneath this square? We're getting pretty fast and good at this. Do you know? Scoot over just a little bit. June?
Orange.
Orange? How do you know that?
Because, orange, yellow, blue.
Orange, yellow, blue. That's orange. Good. Kendall?
I think it's going to be orange, tally marks, and the number 22.
Ooh, how'd you figure out all of that, Kendall? Good work.
Because yesterday was the 21st and this is the 22nd.
So we can see that because yesterday was the 21st, so we know that one more would be 22.
And after the blue is orange.
After blue comes orange, and what are these called again? What's our
Tally
picture model?
marks.
Tally marks. Take a look. Good work. So say it with me. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020. So I'm going to write on our calendar grid at 22. What am I going to draw for our model? Yes.
Tally marks.
Tally marks, how many?
22.
22. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I do when I get to the fifth?
Line through.
Cross it over. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth is a crossover. So that's 15 because we know we can count by fives. Do it with me. 5, 10, 15,
20 I gotta put on there.
20.
And then 2 more.
And then I want to show you something, friends. To make it a little bit easier, what we do is we circle a group of 10. It's almost like a bundle.
And you gotta do it again.
You're right. So now we know that's 10, 20, 21, 22. How many 10s in the number 22? At home, you should be thinking about that too. Yes.
4.
Well, not quite, because if there's 4 10s, watch this. It'd be 10, 20, 30, 40. Is our number 40? Not quite.
It would be 0.
If it's 0, we wouldn't have anything there. How many 10s in the number 22? Kendall?
2.
2. And watch how we do this. Put 2 fingers out. Count by 10s with me. 10, 20. So how many extra ones do we need to get to 22 if we're at 20? 2 more. Do that with me. Put 2 fingers out. Let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 21, 22. So that's correct. And then we write that 20 plus 2 equals 22. Let's look at our days in school. Right over here, my friends. How many days in school? Yesterday we know was 14. So what's today? Yes. 15. Look at this. We can easily see that. I'm going to bring the computer over. I want you to notice something here. Think about what you notice while I show our friends at home. What do you notice about our days in school chart? What do you notice, friends? Yes.
That, the squares that are colored in have more.
Oh, the squares that are colored in have more. Good. What else do you notice?
I noticed that because, we've been in school a lot.
Good. What do you notice about this, though? Our chart. You should be able to easily see how many days in school. There's a reason for it. How come? Kendall?
10, 5 we got.
5 what?
X's.
X's. You can see that because it's halfway. So we know there's a group of 10 or a bundle or decade, say the word decade, decade, in a group of 5. So let's change our days in school. What am I going to change the 14 to, Kendall? You just said it.
22.
Ooh,
5.
just a 5? 15, yeah, because we have our group of 10.
And you need to fix that whole thing.
What is this whole thing called again? What was that called? Does anyone know? Yes.
Equation.
Equation. What am I going to make my math equation?
10 plus 5 equals 15.
Good job. Because there's a group of 10 and 5 more, which equals 15. Let's try to build that with our squares today. We're going to stick them right on here. We're going to use 2 different colors. How many yellow should I put in here? We're going to build the number 15, our math equation. How many yellow?
15.
Let's raise our hands. Henry? I'm going to put 10. Good. Think about what our second number is going to be. We want to get all the way to 15. So I have a group of 5 here, and I'm going to put 5 more underneath it, like a 10 frame. Now I want to use the color red to complete my math equation. How many more am I going to add? Think about it. Right now I have 10, and I want to get to 15. How many more? Yes. 5 more. Because we know that 10 and 5 more is what, everyone? 15. Now I'm going to make my tallies for 15. How many tallies am I going to make? Yes. How many tallies am I going to make for this? 15. How am I going to draw them? Just like this? No, help me. What am I going to do, friends? Help me. Yes.
You have to do 4 lines and 1 across.
Oh, 4 lines and 1 across. And how many is that then? 4 lines and 1 across.
10. Well, 5.
5. You're right. So how many more do I need? Help me. So I have 5.
5 more.
So I'm going to do another group of 5. What is 5 plus 5? Everyone? Everyone? 10. So remember, we're going to circle that so we know. And then what am I going to do? Yes. Another set of 5. Because we know that's, count with me by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Good job. We're going to go back to our calendar for a minute. I want to try to see if you can count by 2s. We're going to skip count all the way to 22. Are you ready? When I point, you count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Good job. Let's change our date. What are we going to change it to? What's today? Yes.
It's 22.
A 22. We're going to keep our month and our year because we're still September. And it's September 22nd. Way to go, first graders. Yes.
I noticed something up here.
What did you notice?
That when we put on our 2s, like what the tens and ones, when you put them together, they say the number 22.
Oh, because look at friends. She noticed that if you put these together, a 2 and a 2 is 22. Look at this. If you put 2 and a 1 together, what number does it make? 21. Good noticing. Let's go way up here. If you put a 1 and a 3 together, 13. Great job noticing, Kendall. Yes, another.
I noticed that if you put
Okay, have a seat.
this 1 and then another 1, it would be 9. No, it would
Oh, if you put a 0 and a 9, it would be 9. Good job.